Hey guys.
Hi.
Sapra.
Guess what? We're 1 month old. Cheer, please cheer.
Retake.
Please cheer.
Retake.
Hey guys.
So we're here. 1 month down. Almost close to 200 subscribers.
10 videos.
10 videos.
11,000 views.
Yeah, almost.
Views alla, 11,000
11,000 watch minutes. Yes.
And then watch
Yeah.
minutes and close to 5,000 views in total. And here we are celebrating with all of you the 1 month anniversary of Boys of Bangalore and
Bios of Bangalore.
Boys of
Boys,
Bangalore.
boys.
Boys.
Bob. And
Boys
they also celebrate Christmas with all of you. So here it is, wishing all of you a very, very, very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Very Christmas.
Wait. Okay, so here we are talking about our journey so far.
Yes.
It's been a month since we started and it's been a lot of fun. Yes, it involves a lot of hard work, a lot of takes, retakes. This is our, I think, 15th take.
A lot of abusive language by RDOC.
Our abusive DOP, our very skilled,
Talented
talented
actors.
actors.
Adarsh,
Our
tops the
editor.
list.
Our editor and scripting and location and everything. Yeah, it's been a hell of a journey, and we're going to be showing you some of our scenes behind that goes into shooting at the end of this video. So before we go into that, let's talk about how Bob. A lot of you guys ask why Bob. So we are Boys of Bangalore, and we came to the conclusion that since we are boys from Bangalore,
Let's call it Boys
let's
of
call it Boys of
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bob. How hard was that? So anyway, then Bob is something that Bangaloreans at least call their friends like, hey Bob, what's up? What's the scene, Bob? So we thought that might be cool that we could do something like that. So that's why we call ourselves Bob, because we are a group of people. Otherwise also we are like from college and we all hang out together. Yeah.
Dude.
So yeah, dude.
Something a rich kid could call.
This guy is no exception. So anyways, venturing into other questions that were asked to us, that a lot of you guys also feel that how do we get so much time? Do we have 26 hours a day, 28 hours a day? No, we are not special, we are not jobless as well. We do all this shoot after college or during weekends, on holidays, or as soon as we get an hour off from college, we immediately go and shoot. So, and we ensure that we shoot at least 1 or 2 videos a week so that we guys keep you entertained and keep you in the loop of what's happening. So we have not compromised on that, and yes, it's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of hard work as well. Talking
Yes.
about Boys of Bangalore from a shooting point of view, I think no one better than our DOP of POV can tell you about it.
You guys, I am assuming you guys watch a lot of YouTube videos, say about what, 6-8 minutes. When you guys watch it, you might assume that YouTube, how hard would it take? Like, how long would it take to shoot this video? Believe me, it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of effort behind what you see on the screen. But the main point that we started is because it's fun for us to record it. That's why we come up with challenges, because when you are doing a challenge or you're playing a game, it's fun for you. That's what we've been doing. It's fun recording it, editing it, and hopefully it's fun for you guys watching it. So that's it.
Also, if you guys want to interact with us on a personal level, all of us have our personal accounts on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, so the description of which has been given in our bio. And apart from the core group of Boys of Bangalore, a lot of other individuals, a lot of our friends have helped us, like Puneet, Vyanjali, Sushil, Arjun, and many more who are there even in the public view as well, and a lot of them who help us behind the scenes as well. This is a shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for always being there, and this is for all you viewers, all the people who are watching this video, all the people who have subscribed to our previous video, watched our previous videos. Thank you so much for showing all your support, for giving us positive feedback, for giving us critical feedback that helped us become better. It is because of you guys that we are going so forward, and we will keep coming. We will have more videos for your new year. So this is a message from all of us that we wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Vikrant, there's a small message for all of you. Vikrant, do you have a message for all of them for this Christmas and this Happy New Year? Listen to the rich kid that's right.
Okay. Celebrate responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly. Don't puke everywhere you find. Okay. Adarsh, you especially. Okay. So now we're leaving some behind the scene footage from our Bob Studios. Hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
And please leave comments down below so that we can do what you guys enjoy.
Yeah, and give us some feedback for his new look.
Also, we guys are plan on doing some collab videos. So if you guys are YouTubers or want to venture into YouTube or just want to show your talent or just work with us, drop in a mail to the Boys of Bangalore Gmail ID, which is also given in the link in the description, and we can work together, which will be a lot of fun.
Have fun.
So here we are, Boys of Bangalore, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year once again. Sayonara.
Urpi.
What the fuck? Yeah, I'm at least making noise, no, so that at least you can.
What is your girlfriend's name?
Huh?
What is your girlfriend's name?
Oh, I don't have one.
No petrol, bacha. It's not turning.
Hey, shit.
Dude, that's it. Why do you want to do it? Come in the on.
Hey, Macha, enough that drinking. How much did you
bro.
drink?
Why did she do this to me, bro?
Hey, this again.
Why? He's come.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते.
What happened to this guy, bro?
Hey, bastard. What happened to those two guys?
Bro, why do you even invite those two people, bro? Irritated the shit out of me. Why do you even invite those guys? Hey, Rama!
What happened to those two guys? Hey, go fuck off that.
Hey, bro!
Drink.
You need to sleep, bro! Come on, put you to bed.
Hey, go fuck off to that. Go fuck yourself. Like all of you talking. Like all to us. Go fuck off that. Fucking Kalia Mali.
Is it recording?
You want to see me? Roll your head.
You tell her the same time. Please like.
Oh, see, roll your head.
Hey, Macha, red. Again red. Fucking what the fuck is that?
Like. Share.
Okay.
Please like.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah,
Like, share, subscribe. Like, share,
You want to tell.
like, share.
I just want to cry.
Share.
All we did also on that.
It's okay, and then now, what do we put in? What do we put in?
And then.
Like us on Facebook. Shetty, come on, like us on Facebook, Instagram. Hey,
It's recording and you guys are discussing.
okay, like us on Facebook, Instagram, and all those.
The
Okay.
links are down.
Yeah, the links are down in the
Links are down. Please try go down.
Links are
Go down on yourself tonight.